My name is Artie Schaller III, and we are at the National Flag Company. We are a flag and banner manufacturer that's been here in Cincinnati since 1869. So I am the fourth generation Schaller here at National Flag. So I started with my great-great-uncle George Schaller in 1903. He started here when he was 12 years old as a stock boy, and he worked here for 73 years. Became president of the company in 1948. In that same year, hired my grandfather, and that's how the Schaller name got into flag making. We are known in the flag industry for our custom applique products, so custom sewn flags and banners, company logos, just one off of an organization logo, and then we also do mass-produce handheld flags for patriotic events, fireworks, parades, that sort of thing, that line driveways, streets, and then people can wave them as a parade's going through. You count those with all the bigger sewn flags that we do, it's probably a little bit over 1 million flags a year. The days after 9/11, we sold out of every U.S. flag that we had in 2 days, and it took us about 8 months just to be able to get an inventory of U.S. flags again. Everybody wanted to show that solidarity. The U.S. flag was flown everywhere, and even really since then, it's flying in more places now than it really has ever before that. We do a lot of POW flags, armed forces, and that sort of thing, but the biggest state flag that we produce, being in Ohio, being in Cincinnati, at the tri-state, you got Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, all right here in the corner, but we make the most Texas flags. So we think everybody in Texas has their flag at their house. One of the coolest that we just did recently was somebody wanted a sewn flag of their Scottish Terrier. So anywhere anybody needs a custom logo that they want to be able to be seen and flown prominently, that's when we come in. We had our 150th anniversary here in 2019, and we kept finding different pieces and envelopes, catalogs from the early 1900s. We found the original shareholders document from 1873, original mortgage deed from 1890. These are all awesome pieces. We got to find a way to show these. So we came up with this mini museum that we have here in our lobby. A lot of people relate the flag to military and patriotism and that sort of thing, and that's definitely a major part of it here. We see it as we get to make that symbol for those veterans. So everything that we're doing is a sense of pride and passion for us to make it and for them as a customer to fly it.